DJI Mini 3 Pro, slow motion. Got that coming up next. Bill Drone Reviewer here. If you like the content of this video or anything on my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any future content. With that, let's begin. The DJI Mini 3 Pro has just been a pure joy to own. Today, I went out and I tried the slow motion with the DJI Mini 3 Pro. So without any further ado, let's roll that clip in its entirety. Okay, we're going to take the DJI Mini 3 Pro up and do some slow motion with it. So let's go ahead and get the shit on the road here. Okay, we're ready to go. Let's get her up to altitude here. Again, I like about 100 feet or so. Around 113, drop down just a tad. There we go. I'm going to adjust the pitch of the gimbal. There we go. It's a little better. We are recording right now as we speak. Okay, so let's go. We're going to go ahead and go down to the highway first and do the slow motion. And we're going to do the waterfall at the entrance to the development. So go ahead. I'm going to adjust this a little bit here. There we go. It is a gorgeous day today. Absolutely beautiful. DJRC is just a joy to use. I'm enjoying it. Just past the entrance to development. We'll come back there in a minute. Okay, we are almost there. Okay, I need to turn around here because I'm getting weak signal adjust antenna, so I'm going to back it up just a tad. And that seems to have done the trick. Now we're going to go ahead and stop the video. And then I'm going to go ahead and turn on slow motion here. And it's 1080 at 120 frames per second. So let's go ahead and take a look and see what we get here. I'm going to stop that, turn it back to normal mode here. Get that recording, and we're going to go ahead and turn the drone around and head over to the entrance of the development here. Looking absolutely picture perfect today. Just a very nice day to fly. I'm really enjoying the DJI RC. DJI really did their homework with this. I'm very, very pleased with it. Okay, we are there. I'm going to go ahead and kind of turn things around here a little bit. Okay, there's the entrance to development. We're going to go ahead and stop that video, and we're going to go ahead and turn slow motion on. And I'm going to go ahead and we're going to descend in altitude just a little bit. And we're going to move in a little closer. Very nice. They did our entrance to the development very nice. That's a very nice waterfall there. Okay, we're going to go ahead. I'm going to turn it back to normal mode. Go ahead and record that. And now we're just going to go ahead and bring her back here. Okay.
Go home.
See how we do for the landing here. Adjusting the pitch of the gimbal. Okay, we had a successful flight with the DJI Mini 3 Pro, testing slow motion. Question of the day. What did you think of the DJI Mini 3 Pro slow motion video? Let me know in the comments section below. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.